How to safely use ring opening pliers to help change your jewellery. Here you'll see a rather large BCR we've placed in this ear, and the bead being nice and secure, it's a struggle to get out sometimes. Using the ring opening pliers we have here from Aces Supplies, it's going to make that a lot easier. So as you can see, the tips are black. This is a coating to stop anything scratching your lovely jewellery. You will also notice the indentations on the end and again further up. These are for placing the jewellery securely on the end of the forceps, as you'll now see. Once you insert your pliers to the inside, you want to apply a little bit of pressure, but not too much that you're going to distort the ring. This will make it easy to remove the attachment or the bead from the ring. You do need to be careful that you're not distorting or bending the ring out of shape, as this will make it harder to close later. Again, to pop the bead back in, you just repeat the process. Pop the forceps in, a little bit of pressure, and the ring will then just clip the ball back into place. Again, leaving it nice and secure. I hope this helps.